Hi guys, long time no skincare routine. Basically, let's just do my skincare routine. Everything in this routine is just hydration. I really want to bring back the hydration into my skin, and my skin needs it, you guys. I've not had time to do anything. You guys, working a 9 to 5 is it's not funny. It's not easy. I've not even had time to do like proper skincare routine. So that is all I'm going to be doing in this skincare routine video. Basically just hydrating, like giving my skin all the love, all the care. It's been a long time that I sat down and really pampered my skin. Basically I just use this. If you love this bonnet I'm putting on, it's from Lee Vlogs. In case you want to get this bonnet, it's so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful, and the quality is really great. My skin is receiving everything it should receive this period, because please please, it's been a while. Like, everything here is just hydration, basically, because I have a really dry skin, to be honest. Like, my skin is really dry, so I'm at home this weekend. Let me just give my skin everything while I have the time. And this is so nice, you guys. Like, I'm soiling my skin in skincare product. Honestly, you guys, nobody really tells you anything about this 9 to 5. Like, NYC is all glamorous. Everybody comes on the internet and lie. They are lying, you guys. If you have not gone for NYC, like, think it through, because this NYC is like a secret cult. They never really tell you like everything that entails till you are in it, you guys. I am really tired. Like, at this point I cannot just wait for it to be over. Like, I can't really wait for it to be over. I'm tired, really tired. Like, now let's take care of my lashes. This lash serum is really nice, but sometimes it just like makes me feel like there's sand in my eyes. It's so nice. It's a lash serum. It's from Benton. All right, I'm done with my skincare for, like, this is like a 9-time skincare routine. I'm not using any sunscreen. I just want to like go back to bed and just chill, watch a movie, or just do something. Before you know it's Monday again. Before you know it's Monday again, I'm tired. This life is not for me. The soft life, that's what I deserve. I deserve the soft life. Anyway, guys, bye.